Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this video, we're going to explore an ancient practice to boost your brain power and to relax your mind. The best medicines in our body, let's tap into it. The name of the practice is called the Red Dragon Stirring Up the Heavenly Pond, a powerful tongue exercise for brain health, relaxation, and for preventing cognitive decline. This is how it works. Place the tip of your tongue outside of your teeth, but inside your lips. Now, slowly circle it around clockwise, pressing against the base of your lip from the inside. As your tongue moves to the side of the mouth, extend it longer and make it stronger. Feel the strong stimulation in your temporal region. When it moves to the upper and the lower lips area, press harder, as if making your tongue bigger to fully engage the muscles and the nerves. Continue for 9 slow, controlled rounds. This will take about 30 seconds or a minute, depending on your pace. After completing one direction, switch to the counterclockwise rotation and repeat the process. A study in Japan showed that regular practice of this technique significantly slowed the cognitive decline in those in their 70s and 80s compared to a control group. Feel the stretch in your brain and your heart. This may be challenging. Perhaps it is the hardest thing you have ever done, but the mental relaxation afterwards is incredible. This exercise stimulates the hypoglossal nerve, activates the area near the brainstem. The healthy function of the hypoglossal nerve is critical for things like eating, swallowing, and speaking. Additionally, this practice enhances circulation in the head and the neck, promotes relaxation of the brain and the mind, improves mental clarity, and helps reduce tension and stress. It also helps with sleep. Here's the key. Go extremely slow, pausing at tight areas and push harder. Take your time. Slower is actually harder. Start with 9 rounds in each direction. Takes about 1 minute. Then go from there. Over time, build up to about 4 sets of 9, total 36 rounds in each direction. You might feel a pulling sensation, even in your heart or deep in your head. This is normal and a sign you are engaging deeply. Afterwards, you will experience relaxation and clarity. It is like giving your brain a much needed stretch. After completing the exercise, whether 9 rounds or 36 rounds each direction, you will notice the buildup of saliva in your mouth. In ancient tradition, this saliva is treated like nectar or heavenly dew, pure and deeply therapeutic. Treat it as precious. Swallow it in 3 sips, and with each sip, make a loud, joyful, gurgling sound to amplify the benefits. Friends, stick with this exercise. It will serve you well over time. Give it a try and let me know how it goes for you. Self-care takes discipline, and preventive self-care is the best. Share this practice with family and friends. Sharing is caring. And don't forget, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep on the practice.